Welcome to Saraswat International Academy, Ratavapi, Standard 3rd, English Medium, Subject Computer. Myself Simit Bausar. I'm a computer teacher. Now I will teach you chapter number 1, part 1. Now, student, let us start our chapter number 1, ABCD of computer. Okay, now first, dear student, do you remember the English alphabet? क्या आपको इंग्लिश अल्फ़ाबेट याद है? यस, इट इज़ ABCDEF अप टू Z. हाँ, यह ABCDEF तक होते हैं, राइट? बट now we will learn a new type of ABCD. okay students, अब हम एक नए प्रकार से यहाँ पे ABCD सीखेंगे. ओके, we will learn ABCD of computer. ओके, अब हम कंप्यूटर से ABCD सीखेंगे. ओके, let us relate some concept of computer with English ABCD and understand देम. ओके, हम अंग्रेजी ABCD के साथ कंप्यूटर की कुछ ऐसे कंसेप्ट से संबंधित होंगे और उसे समझेंगे. ओके, नाउ सो इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल लर्न ABCD ऑफ कंप्यूटर. ओके, इस चैप्टर में हम कंप्यूटर की ABCD सीखेंगे, राइट? ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट our first alphabet A. okay, A for abacus. First one, abacus is a simple device for doing calculation. Second thing, abacus was first invented in China around 5000 years back. Third one, it was the first mechanical device ever for doing calculation. Okay, see, this is abacus. Now short description of abacus. See, an abacus is a manual aid to calculating that consists of beads or discs that can be moved up and down on a series of sticks or strings within a usually wooden frame. The abacus itself does not calculate. It's simply a device for helping a human being to calculate by remembering what has been counted. Okay, now our next letter is B. Okay, now B for barcode reader. First one, bar means vertical lines, code means system of symbols, and reader means one who read. Okay, now second thing, it is used to read the information based on the barcode of product. Third one, barcode reader is connected to the computer to read the barcode of any product. Okay, now what is barcode reader? See, barcode readers, price scanners, point of sale scanners or barcode scanners are generally found in supermarkets and large departmental stores. It is a type of scanner which is used for reading printed barcodes. Okay, I think you all are familiar with barcode reader. Okay, right? See, this is barcode reader. Now our next alphabet is C for CD. First one, the full form of CD is compact disc. Second, it is circular in shape. Third one, data of up to 700 MB can be stored in CD. Okay, see, what is CD? Okay, little description of CD. A compact disc is a portable storage medium that can be used to record, store and playback audio, video and other data in digital form. Okay, students, if you want to store your data in a digital form, then you have to use CD. Okay, see, this is CD. Next, okay student, start. Our next letter is D. Now D for DVD. First one, the full form of DVD is digital versatile or video disc. Second thing, it is circular in shape and appears like a CD. Third one, data of up to 4.7 GB can be stored in a DVD. See, this is DVD. DVD is just look like a CD. Now, what is DVD? DVD stand for digital versatile disc. A DVD is a type of optical media used for storing digital data. It is the same size as a CD but has a larger storage capacity. Okay, now our next letter is E. E for email. First one, the full form of email is electronic mail. Second thing, it provides the facility to sending messages through internet. Now third topic, it can be used to send and receive text, images, audio and video. Okay, now little description about email. Email is information stored on a computer that is exchanged between two users over telecommunications. Okay, more plainly, email is a message that may contain text, files, images or other attachment sent through a network, okay, to specify individual or group of individual. Okay, see, this is email. Now our next letter is F. F for floppy disk. First one, it was used to store data. Second thing, it was available in two size, 3.5 inch and 5.25 inches. Okay, now third one, only 1.25 MB and 1.44 MB data respectively could be stored in them. See, this is floppy disk. Now little description about floppy. A floppy disk is a magnetic storage medium for computer systems. The floppy disk is composed of a thin flexible magnetic disk sealed in a square plastic carrier. Okay, now next students, now our next alphabet is G. G for Google. First one, Google is used to search information on different topics. Second thing, it is a search engine that finds information on the required topic. Third one, it has various features like Gmail, YouTube, maps, calendar, etc. Okay, see, this is Google. Now little description about Google is, now Google Engine is a platform as a service and cloud computing platform for developing and hosting web applications in Google managed data centers. Okay, now applications are sandboxed and run across multiple servers. Now what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a general term for anything that involves delivering hosted services over the internet. Okay, now our next alphabet is H. H for hard disk. First one, hard disk is known as the big notebook of computer. Second thing, it is used to store data. Now third, it is magnetic disk made from a hard material like metal. Okay, now what is hard disk? A hard disk is a spindle of magnetic disk called platters that records and store information. The hard disk is housed inside the hard drive which reads and writes data to the disk. See, this is hard disk. Now our next alphabet is I for internet. First one, the full form of internet is interconnected connection network. Okay, the full form of internet is interconnection network. Second, internet is a network of a number of interconnected computer. And third one, internet does not have any owner. Now, what is internet? The internet is a global wide area network that connects the computer systems across the world. Okay, it includes several high bandwidth data lines that compress the internet backbone. Okay, see, this is the image of internet. Okay, now next, okay student, now our next alphabet is J for joystick. First one, a joystick is used to play game. Second thing, there is a handle known as lever that can be moved in any direction. Third one, there are different buttons known as triggers, okay, to perform various tasks. See, this is joystick. Now, little description about joystick. See, a joystick is an input device consisting of a stick that pivots on a base and reports its angle or direction to device it is controlling. Okay, a joystick, also known as the control column, is the principal control device in the cockpit of many civilian and military aircraft, either as a center stick or side stick. Okay, now our next alphabet is K for keyboard. First one, keyboard is used to type information in the computer. Second, it is used to give input to the computer, so it is an input device. Third one, generally there are 101 keys on a standard keyboard. Okay, see, this is keyboard. Now, what is keyboard? A computer keyboard is a typewriter style device which uses an arrangement of buttons or keys to act as mechanical levers or electronic switches. Okay, now our next letter is L for laptop computer. First one, a computer that can be kept in a small bag called laptop computer. Second thing, it can be easily carried from one place to another place. Third one, it is used by recharging its battery. Okay, see, this is laptop. Now, what is laptop? A laptop computer is a portable personal computer powered by a battery or an AC cord plugged into an electrical outlet, okay, which is also used to charge the battery. Laptop have an attached keyboard and a touchpad, trackball or isometric joystick used for navigation. Okay, now next student, our next alphabet is M for mouse. Okay, first one, mouse is a small pointing device that can be easily placed on our palm. Second one, there are 2 or 3 buttons on its upper part. Okay, third one, it is used to select an option or information from the menu and to draw picture. Okay, see, this is mouse. Okay, now short description of mouse. A mouse is a small handheld input device that controls a computer screen's cursor or printer in conjunction with the way it is moved on a flat surface. Some mouse devices have integrated features such as extra buttons that may be programmed and assigned with different commands. Okay, now our next alphabet is N for network. First one, many computers connected to one another form a computer network. Second, various technologies are used to connect the computers in a computer network. Okay, now third one, exchange of information or data is possible among the computers in a network as they are connected to each other. Okay, see students, this is network image. Okay, now network. A network is a collection of computers, servers, mainframes, network device, peripherals or other device connected to one another to allow the sharing of data. An excellent example of a network is internet, which connects millions of people all over the world. Okay, now our next alphabet is O for OMR scanner. First one, the full form of OMR is optical mark reader. Second one, it is used to read the information which is in the form of dots. Third one, it is useful to check the OMR answer sheet of the exam taken by OMR method. Okay, now see, this is OMR scanner. Okay, now what is OMR scanner? OMR scanner is a software or a machine that used to process of capturing human mark data from document forms such as survey and test. They are used to read questionnaire, multiple choice question paper in the form of lines or shady area. Okay, now student, we will learn another alphabet in part 2. Okay, understand? Thank you.